So tech has been so complicated lately, especially since AI came into the picture. And every time I open Reddit, there's another post from somebody who has sent 400 applications and is currently considering becoming a farmer. But last night I saw one that actually scared me. This guy had 15 plus years of programming experience, and I'm reading through what he knows: AVS, cloud infrastructure, and massive data processing. I'm halfway through thinking, okay, this man ain't kidding. And then I get to the point, he can't find a job. Great, so I closed Reddit, closed my laptop, made myself a matcha, and stared out the window for a minute, reconsidering every decision I've made since touching my first computer. Yes, that's how bad my mood was, because if that guy is struggling, what exactly are the rest of us supposed to do? And yeah, the economy is crap right now. It's not just tech, but I like tech, you know? I don't want to abandon computers and start breeding goats because LinkedIn rejected me. So there has to be another way to make money with this stuff. And the next day, I started noticing something. I went to grab a coffee, ordered, paid, and sat down. And while I'm waiting, there's somebody behind the counter dealing with orders, answering the phone, and writing something down on a piece of paper. And it suddenly hit me. This is where the money is. Not literally inside this coffee shop. I mean problems. Because I've been looking at this completely backwards. When we think about making money in tech, we immediately think about tech companies, right? But the rest of the world is full of businesses doing annoying things manually. And those businesses don't care whether you know the newest framework. They don't even know what the newest framework is. They care that something annoying disappears. So I went home, opened my laptop again, except this time I didn't open a job board. I imagined one simple business problem. Basically something somebody wastes hours doing every week. Could I build something that removes it? A few years ago, that might have meant a proper project, planning everything, building everything. Now I can still do the parts that actually require my brain. So what's the point, right? What's the point of all of this? Are we supposed to sit on Reddit all day, read another post about how terrible the job market is, feel bad for ourselves? I mean, look, the market is difficult, I get it. There's a hell of a lot of a competition. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that learning Python and opening ChatGPT means somebody is going to throw money at you. But come on, we're tech people. Solving problems is literally what we're supposed to be good at. And for the first time, we've got these ridiculously powerful tools sitting right next to us that can help us move much faster. So instead of spending 3 hours arguing on a forum about whether AI is going to take our jobs, why don't we spend those 3 hours trying to build something? I mean, look around. Try and find something that's genuinely annoying, something people waste time doing. Then sit down and see if you can actually fix it. Try to use your brain for the important part and use AI when it saves you time. Build the first version, put it in front of somebody, and there's a very good chance they won't care, right? Beautiful. Welcome to building things. So you try something else, maybe that one fails too. You try again and again, because I think that's the power we're forgetting when we look at all these people struggling to find jobs. A job is one way to make money with tech. It's not the only way though. You can still create something people want. You can still solve a problem somebody will pay to remove. And doing that has arguably become easier for one person than it has ever been. Not easy, that's completely different. But you only need to find one thing that works, right? And I'd much rather spend 2026 trying things, building and failing than spending the entire year refreshing a job board waiting for somebody else to decide that I'm valuable.